Building a relationship demands a shared vision. Trust must be earned through hard work, determination, and unwavering reliability. Strong relationships unlock the potential for mutual success. Start a relationship that will take your business to the next level. And together, with Allied Telesis, we can do more. Meet the SwitchBlade x908 Gen2, a high-capacity 2.6 terabit modular switch for your enterprise or campus core that is a perfect start to a brand new relationship. It's today's answer to the IoT age and smarter industries, where an ever-growing demand for bandwidth requires a future-proof and highly scalable migration path from 10 to 40 and even 100 gigabit connections. With a non-blocking, scalable, hot-swappable architecture supporting today's fastest Ethernet speeds, you're free to grow your network without a pause. Add more capacity with stacking. Create a single virtual chassis using VC stack technology for complete resilience and the performance your network demands. The x908 Gen2 manages your whole network with full visibility. Automated backup and upgrades, zero-touch recovery and expansion save you valuable time and resources. It's the ultimate in performance. Future-proof, modular design, flexible and expandable, easy to upgrade and manage, open flow enabled for SDN readiness. Harness the power of a smarter network in a hyper-connected world. Trust Allied Telesis to get you there on less. The SwitchBlade x908 Gen2. Allied Telesis. Network smarter.